This is a walk around of a 1928 Buick Model 2820. This 6-minute, mostly double-speed video shows the outside, inside, and underside of this fully restored classic. I paid $4,000 to a body shop that found Sherwin-Williams paint 43517 is true to the original 1928 Parkway green. The black uppers, black moldings, and vermilion colored stripes are as originally specified. This Buick is a frame-off restoration by a General Motors engineer named Harry Lambert. As he was born in 1928, this car was a personal project. In a daily restoration journal, Harry wrote his goal was to rebuild all mechanical items like new and restore every part to its original state without exception. It then won awards and sat in a climate-controlled garage for decades until his passing. When I acquired it from his estate, it was not running and the paint had failed. Harry found a skilled cooper who built all 4 Artillery's 12-spoke solid oak wheels, painted and striped per original. All 4 wheels have external contracting brakes, while the rear wheels have very effective internal drum brakes. All brake linings are like new. The hinges on any classic car will not stay painted. There are some minor scuffs as shown here where the engine cover meets the body. The chrome parts are in good shape with a flaw here in the exterior visor. Each door latches nicely and they have no exterior locks. The engine is a 63 horsepower overhead valve inline 6. It displaces 207 cubic inches. Compression is even, and there are only a few hundred miles since Harry rebuilt it. Cooling is by a Harrison honeycomb radiator that works at air pressure, so it's nice to not have exploding hoses or pressure leaks. The water pump is redone, and I include a new spare impeller. Points and plugs are fresh. The 10,000-mile oil filter no longer exists, so fresh oil takes care of that. 1928 was the first year for Buick Chrome, replacing brass-era nickel plate. The attractive radiator shell was restored in show chrome for $2,000 by John Wright's Custom Chrome in Grafton, Ohio. The hand crank works, but I always use the electric starter. There is no underside rust, and all mechanicals are in good condition. The 6-volt battery is under the floorboard with a convenient trickle charge plug. Plug in for 6-volt trickle charger. All wood parts are oak, honed to correct shape by Harry. Parts that fit in my kiln are black powder coated, frame is Rust-Oleum black, the exhaust is high temperature matte. I like the 17-inch solid walnut steering wheel on an aluminum spider. This has adjustable front seats that fold for rear access. The passenger compartment is private with shades, and all 4 windows crank up and down. The interior is true to original, green-gray mohair plush seats. Headliner is green-gray cotton plush. The rear is velvet pile carpet, also on the passenger footrest. Rubber mats are front. The dash and window trim is green.
Shades down, shades up. Down.
This has the right rear smoking set. Interior light switch on, off. This Buick is authentic, as engineer Lambert attained like-new condition for the 1983 National BCA, winning 3rd place. In my garage, it won a senior gold medal at the national meet in Cleveland last year, a 6-foot trophy at the Dublin Auto Show last summer, and a first-place award in the Buick pre-war class. All windows are now laminated safety glass as required. Dash switch to the right turns on the instrument panel illumination, and to the left, the interior light. Choke when starting. Heat control is bypassed because we don't need fuel heat. Parking lights on. Parking lights off. Horn. Low beams on. High beams on.
And step on the brake. Parking light on. Parking light off. Brake off.
If you collect cars, humidity and critters are destructive. I'm pleased to say they are easily controlled.